Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Janani. I make polymer clay related projects here on YouTube. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make terrazzo inspired earrings. This is what I will be using. I will be using a blade or an X-Acto knife, a needle tool, and a roller. I will also be using my pastel machine, but if you don't have a pastel machine, a roller is perfectly fine. To cut my shapes, I'm going to be using some cookie cutters that I got off of Amazon. I will link them down below. If you do not have any cookie cutters, you can use any lids that you can find around the house, like these ones that I'm showing. You will also be needing some earring posts and earring backs, or some of those dangly earrings that you can get it at Amazon, Michaels, or Walmart. I'm also going to use these jump rings that I got off Amazon to connect my earrings together. We'll also be needing some pliers and some sandpaper. These are the colors that I'll be using for my earrings. The light pink will be my background and the rest of them will be my terrazzo bits. I started by rolling a sheet of my background clay in medium thickness. So next, to create the terrazzo effect, I rolled out a really thin snake and just kept on pulling little pieces out of the clay and randomly placing it on my background color. I made sure to scatter my little pieces everywhere. Then I just kept on repeating the same technique to all of the other colors, making sure that every area has all the colors. After I add all my colors, I ran my piece through the pastel machine again, so it will be nice and smooth on the top. To give my earrings some interest, I like to contrast colors. Here I'll be showing you guys some examples of earrings that I made previously. So when I make a pattern, I always like to offset it with a different color. Here I'm cutting my shapes for my earrings using the cookie cutter set that I showed you previously. Before I bake my pieces, I like to poke holes so my jump rings can go through my pieces to connect each other. I bake my pieces according to the instructions that is given on the package. After my pieces are fully baked and cooled down, I like to take my wet and dry sandpaper and thoroughly sand the edges and the surface of my pieces to make sure I don't have any ugly ragged edges. Next, I brush some matte varnish onto my pieces. For finishing, I will link the varnish down below, and I will link all the supplies that I used on this tutorial down below as well. After the varnish is dry, I use jump rings to attach my pieces together. To stick my earring posts, I will be using this super glue. That is the end of this DIY. I think these earrings will make a really cute Christmas gift. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.